Hi, welcome back to the another video on machine learning. And in this video, we will talk about the tools we are going to use in this course and the resources I am going to generate throughout the course and how you can access those resources. So let's start. So the tool we are going to use throughout the course is going to be Google Collab. So if you haven't heard about the Google Collab, it's basically an online tool by the Google where you can just write some code in your browser, and then instead of setting up a whole load of different softwares on your computer, you can just create an account here and you can start writing your code right away. So this is the best thing about this tool, that you don't have to install anything. You don't need like a laptop, a very good computer. You just need a browser. Go ahead with your learning right away. So how does this tool works? So in this tool, any of you guys are familiar with Jupyter. So it's basically the same. You have a notebook here and you can have a code block, a text block, and a sections in this notebook. So basically what you will do, you will just write some code. Like I have an example here, and then you will press this run button right away here, and that's it. Your code will get executed right away. And maybe you want to move it up, down, you want to share it with your friend. It's that easy. You got a link, just share it with your friend, and he can access this and he can help you with whatever the code you are doing. So basically, Google Collab, it's a cloud-based tool where you can write a code in Python and do all the visualization and all of the stuff. And this is the tool we are going to use in this course. And you have a code block where you can write some code. You have text block if you want to add up some notes, it's for that. And then you have a section. Let's say you want to keep things in the sections. You can create a sections using this. I have mentioned the link here. I will also mention this link in the description of the video. So you can just click that link and go right away to this website and start coding right away. No need to install any software, no need for anything else. And then about the resources. So throughout this course, we will generate a whole lot of code. We will use multiple data sets. And to make things easier for you, what I have done is that I have created this GitHub repository. So what you will do, and everything, you just have to take a pull of this repository, and then you will have access to all the code and the data sets. So what I will do, I will create a folder with the title of the video, and will push all the code for that video and the data sets I have used in that video in that folder. And then for you can just take a pull from the GitHub, and then you will have access to all the resources. So right now, this repository, it's empty, but over the time, as we will progress throughout the course, you will see all the code and everything here. And that's it for this video. And in the next video, we will start with the data processing and how to clean the data. And we will start looking into those aspects of the data. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.